here, right? And this is the other people. You find that we have lot of positive strokes. These are given by this plus here. And there are a lot of negative strokes also. This is given by the negative here. So you also have a lot of positive strokes as well as a lot of negative strokes, right? That makes your whole self. Whereas the others also have a lot of positive strokes and negative strokes, and that makes them, right? And this is what works as an interaction between the two. Now you'll wonder what is the positive strokes. No, suppose like when I leave my house in the morning, my wife gives me a smile and she serves the breakfast, right? And it is given on time. The son comes, gives me a good morning kiss sort of thing, and then he goes off to school. So that is all positive strokes. While as on the other hand, suppose I come down, the breakfast is still not ready, right? So then you start getting fidgety because you have to attend a certain meeting in time, and you find that you're already running late, but you can't help it. Then finally you leave the house because the breakfast is late. You leave the house late, and you are unable to catch the bus. When you reach the office, it is late. The boss will obviously fire you. So once he fires you and all that, it spoils your day. So these are all negative strokes, and those things can always happen to every individual. And there are certain ways in which we have to tell the boss at those times whatever is the problem, and how that's a different communication strategy, but we have to tell them softly that these are the problems which has happened, and that's why I was unable to come or whatever. But communication basically happens along this plane. It can be a positive sort of communication where everything is very good between the two, or it can but suppose one of the communicator gives some negative strokes. The negative strokes can be like maybe some topic which you are very touchy about. He touches upon those topics, or he makes certain comments which is ill-advised against you. So obviously you will also retort, and that is what takes the communication to a negative plane. And once the communication comes down to a negative plane, and you also retort back or something, then it can also get down to even fist fighting, or maybe